Hello everybody, welcome to my brand new video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to deactivate my Facebook account, and I will show you step by step in two applications. One is Facebook official application, how to deactivate my account on Facebook official application. Just log in Facebook official application, then you will find here such kind of interface and click on here three dot line and scroll down and you will find here settings and privacy. So just click on settings and privacy, then click on settings again. Right now it's loading. Then you will find here such kind of interface, and first one, personal information. So just click on personal information. Then you can find here at the bottom of the side you can see manage account. So just click on manage account. Right now it's loading. Then you can find here deactivate. So just click on deactivate. Right now you have to give password. If you give password, your account will be deactivated. Right now I'm gonna show you that is on another app, Facebook Lite application. If you use Facebook Lite application, how to deactivate your account on Facebook Lite application. Just click on here on Facebook Lite application, then click on here three dot line again. Then you will find such kind of interface. At the bottom of the side you can find here settings. You can see here is settings. So just click on settings. Then you can find here again personal information. So just click on personal information. Then you'll find here at the bottom of the side you can see here access and act control. So just click on edit option. Right now you can find here at the bottom of the side deactivation and deletion. So just click on here. Right now you can see here deactivate account. Here you can find here another option that is delete. If you want to delete, you can delete also. So right now click on here continue. Just select deactivate and click on continue. Right now you can see here what you want to deactivate. If you select any kind of profile or page, so just select this one, then click on continue. So that way you can deactivate your account. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you feel better, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos.